Hey DIYers and all you recyclers out there, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are making our own handmade paper from upcycled and saved paper. Now I'm not sure if you noticed this, but I have a fresh sheet of butcher paper on my work table every time I film a video, and I like to save it. So today we're going to reuse it and turn it into some beautifully dyed handmade papers. And we're dyeing it with Derwent Inktense blocks, which is perfect for a project like this because the dye is permanent. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some handmade paper. I put my old butcher paper through a paper shredder, but you could just rip it up into small pieces. Derwent Inktense blocks are permanent when dry, so they're perfect for dyeing paper. The amount of Inktense you use will determine the intensity of the color of the paper. If you use just a little bit of Inktense, you'll get beautiful pastel shades. I like experimenting with everything from confetti and pine needles to flower petals and thread. You never know what's going to look amazing in your paper. Paper as we know it today is nearly 2,000 years old. The word paper is derived from the word papyrus, which is a paper-like material made from the Cyperus papyrus plant. I like to dry my paper on dollar store Teflon cookie sheets. If you dry them outside, the metal soaks up the sun and dries your paper pretty quickly. And you can also pop them in the oven for a few minutes on very low heat and dry them that way. I'm going to use my fancy paper for invitations, place cards, envelopes, and greeting cards. I'm going to leave a link to Derwent and everything I used for this project in the description below. If you want your paper a little bit flatter, all you have to do is iron it. You can iron it between two sheets of paper and it'll be much flatter, I promise. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I'm going to leave a link below to those as well. And I will see you next week. Bye.